Hi kids. Hi everyone. Welcome to the drawing and painting class once again. So today once again we are meeting. Yes kids. So how you all are doing? I hope you all are good. Okay everyone. So kids, today we are just going to draw some folk trees. Okay kids. So I hope you all enjoy the session. Yes. It is a very easy session. So everybody can draw. Okay kids. Yes kids. So I hope you all are ready with all the materials and everything. Okay kids. So now some of my little friends they are still joining in. So let's wait for them. Okay. Till then we can just arrange our materials. So kids, have you all been drawing and painting all these days? How many of you are drawing those characters, some new characters and everything? And kids, please let me know what all new things you want to learn. Okay kids? In the chat box, please let me know what all things you want to learn. Your favorite characters or any landscape, whatever are your favorite things, just comment. Okay kids? So I would just love to know, like if you want to learn how to draw dolls or cars or cities, whatever are your favorite. Okay kids? So just let me know in the chat box. Okay kids? Okay. Thank you so much kids. So I will be just waiting for your feedback. Okay, on the chat box of your favorite characters and anything, whatever favorite subject, whatever you want to learn, just let me know. Okay kids? Okay, thank you so much kids. So are we all ready for the session? Okay. So I can see most of my little artist friends, they are still joined in. Yes kids, it is really going to be very easy. Okay. And I know you all will enjoy drawing and painting like always. I just saw your drawings and paintings in the yellow class portal. It was so lovely kids. Really brilliant work everyone. Thank you so much always for listening to my instructions and everything kids. So kids, like leave everything aside and just be ready to draw. Okay kids? So let's start our session. Okay? Okay kids, so I am just shifting to the workstation. Okay? Okay, let's start. So for this session kids, you need white paper, some crayons or your watercolors. Okay, some brushes if you are using the watercolor, water container, your marker, pencil, eraser, scale and sharpener. Okay kids? So this is what you need for today's session. Okay everyone? Okay, so let's start our drawing our folk trees. Okay, so let's start our session. Everyone be ready to draw and paint. So kids, first of all you need to draw land. Okay, so everybody just draw two curves. Everybody please draw two curves. So today we will be just making different kind of trees. Okay kids? Yes kids, we will be making different kind of trees in this session. Okay? So everybody first draw the lines. Done everyone? Okay. So now I will be just making some vertical lines. Okay kids? So you can just take the help of your scales. Okay, I am just drawing with a marker, but you need to draw with your pencil. Okay kids, and after drawing with your pencil you can just do the outlining with your marker. Okay, so I am now just showing you how you can draw with your scale. Okay, like this. Okay, so everybody please take the help of your scale and just draw some lines. Okay, so I am just drawing some straight lines, as you can see. Okay kids, so everybody please draw the lines kids. Everybody please draw the lines. Yes, everyone draw the lines. Everybody draw the lines. Okay, now I will be just drawing some more lines. Okay everyone, drawing these lines. Okay, so just draw these lines at random places kids. Everybody please draw the lines at random places. I hope everybody has drawn the lines. Yes everyone, so after drawing the lines we will be making we will be again taking our scales. Okay, and then I will be just making some lines. Okay, so you see properly how I am making. I'm just making one kind of tree. So these lines will just become smaller. Okay kids, as you go up these lines will just become smaller. Okay, like here we will be just drawing a bigger line, then another shorter line, and then these lines will just become smaller. Okay kids, so it will just look like a Christmas tree. Okay, so you see kids, my lines are becoming so small now, and then it will just become a tiny line. Okay kids, yes everyone, so just draw this tree. See, it is looking like a Christmas tree, right kids? Yeah, so everybody please draw this line. Everybody please draw these lines kids. Everybody please draw this tree. First a bigger line and then a smaller line, and then these lines will become smaller. Okay, and then we will be making our second tree. So you just need to draw lines like this. Okay, once again you can take the help of your scales kids. And then we can just make some dots. Okay, we can just make some dots at the tips. Okay, So everybody can draw these kind of lines, okay? Dots at the top, okay? Okay, please draw this kind of tree in your second branch. Just make these kind of strokes, okay kids? I hope everybody can draw these kind of strokes. Yes, everyone? Yes, it is very easy. I know everybody can draw it well. So just make the branches and small little dots on the top, okay? Everybody just draw the second tree, kids. And then for our third tree, we will be making some dots, okay? Some rains we will be making. Just some falling rains, okay? Some rains falling. Just try to give it a shape of a tree, okay? We'll be just making these kind of strokes, okay? Just make these kind of lines, kids, okay? So you see, kids, I have drawn my third tree, okay? So everybody please draw the third tree using just small little lines, okay? Just some strokes, kids, just some strokes, okay? Everybody can draw these rainfalls, okay? Just some rain happening here, so we will be just drawing these little strokes, okay, for the third tree. Yes, kids, I know everybody can draw the third tree. So everybody make the third tree, kids. Everybody has made the third tree. Okay, now I will be making my fourth tree, okay? I'm just making these kind of branches for my fourth tree, okay? And just make these kind of lines, okay? You have to make these kind of lines for your fourth tree, okay? So everybody please make the fourth tree. So our folk trees are looking quite great, right kids? Yes. Everybody please draw the fourth tree, kids. Has everyone drawn the fourth tree? Okay, now I am drawing the fifth tree, okay? For this you just need to make some curves, okay? These kind of curves I am making, okay? Just make these kind of curves, okay? These kind of curves you need to make, okay? I hope everybody can make these kind of curves, right kids? Okay. So everybody make these curves, okay everyone? So please finish drawing your fourth tree, kids. Everybody please finish drawing your fourth tree. And then I will be just making my fifth tree, okay? For fifth tree you just need to make some dots, okay? Just some dots, okay? So I'm just drawing some dots behind this this stick, okay? So you can just give it the shape of a tree, okay? Just make this pattern, kids. Everybody please draw these small dots. So just keep on making dots, kids. Everybody just keep on making the dots. You have to make many small circles, okay? There should not be much spaces in between the dots, okay? So just keep on making the circles. Okay, kids. So just make these dots, everybody. Please make the fifth tree. Everybody make the fifth tree, kids. Has everybody has drawn the fifth tree? Right, kids? Okay, so now I am just drawing my last tree. Once again, I am just drawing some lines, okay? That's it, kids. I have drawn once again some lines. You can once again take the help of your scale, okay? So I have just finished drawing those lines. In the ground you can just make these kind of sticks once again. You have just made some more little lines in the background, okay? I hope everybody has drawn the background. Okay everyone, so now we will be just starting our painting, okay kids? So take your water container, take your watercolor, okay? Now we will be just making some trees, okay kids? So we can use any shade, okay kids? So I am just first taking my red shade. I am just coloring on my marker, black marker. And just remember kids, like you need to please remember kids, you need to use a marker only, okay? No black sketch pen. Yes kids, no black sketch pen for this, okay? Only a black marker, okay kids? So now just do some watercolor on the tree, okay? So I have just colored it in a triangular shape, as you can see. If you want, you can also color it in a circular shape, okay kids? So now I will be just coloring, or else I am just making it in a oval shape only, so that it will be easier for you all. So you can see kids, I have colored my first tree, okay? Now I will be just coloring my second tree, okay kids? Taking blue. And you see this magic happening here kids, because I am coloring over purple, so it is becoming I am coloring the blue shade on the maroon red shade, so now it is becoming purple. You see kids, it is looking so good. So once again, just make an oval with your watercolor, okay kids? Just make an oval. Everybody make the oval. Okay everyone? So our second folk tree is also ready now kids. So just you can just draw with a circle and oval, okay kids, and then you can just paint. So just make these kind of ovals on the like marker part, okay? And kids, like please remember, if you are like coloring, if you are making the outlining with your black sketch pen, then it will just spread, okay? Like if you are coloring it with your watercolor, then it will just spread. So once again I am just repeating that please use your black marker, okay, to do the outlining. And then you can just make these ovals on the trees, okay? Yes kids. Now I am just taking my yellow shade. I am taking my yellow shade and I will be just once again coloring on my tree, okay kids? As you can see kids, this transparent layer, it is looking so good. So color your third tree kids. Everybody please color the third tree. And kids, you can also wait for it to dry, okay kids? You can just wait for some time to dry, okay? After drying, you can just do your third layer, okay? So you see kids, here's such magic happening. When we mix our yellow shade with our blue shade, then you see it is becoming green. We are getting a beautiful green, right kids? Can you see these beautiful colors happening here? Yeah, I just color it over my blue shade, so it became green. And here I colored blue on red, so it became purple. So now I am just coloring with my red shade. And you see it, we are getting an orange shade here. Yes, kids. So now I am just making one more oval here. So my fourth tree is also ready, every kids. So everybody please color till this part. Everybody please color till this part, kids. You can just take your time to dry. Okay. Just take your time and let it dry. Okay. So everybody please finish the coloring of the 4 trees, kids. Everybody please finish the coloring of the 4 trees. Just the way I have shown you. You just need to color with your you just need to make an oval, okay? With your watercolor and your brushes, you just need to make an oval shape, okay? Yes, kids, that's it. So everybody please make the ovals with your watercolors. Everybody please finish it, kids. Now I am just taking once again my red shade, okay? Once again I am taking my maroon shade. Just making one more oval. So I've made one more oval here, you can see, kids. So you see, kids, I have colored my fifth tree, sorry. Okay, everyone. So everybody is having fun coloring the trees. Yes, kids, everybody just make the trees. So everybody please color the fifth tree, kids. I'm waiting for everyone to finish the fifth tree. Have you all finished coloring the fifth tree, kids? Okay, so now I'm just coloring my sixth tree. Once again with my blue shade. So I've colored my fourth tree also, kids. And now I will be just coloring my last tree, okay? Once again I am taking my yellow shade to color my last tree, okay kids? So you can see kids, now I am just coloring my last tree. As you can see kids, I have finished coloring my last tree. Okay everyone? Yes kids. We can just make some cloudy like curves in the background, okay kids? These are just bushes which I am making, okay? So just some bushes which I have made with my orange shade, okay? We can just make some small little details in the background using our marker. Just drawing some repeated lines here kids, okay? So just draw these repeated lines everyone, just like a rainfall, okay kids? Draw these repeated lines. So everybody is drawing the rainfall, I mean the repeated lines. Yes kids, everybody just makes these repeated lines on the land, okay? So as you can see kids, I am just making these repeated lines. You can also make some small dots if you want. Just make these small dots, okay? Make these small dots on the land, okay kids? So this is our land and we are just making some different patterns, okay kids? So I hope everybody is making these small little dots. Just fill it up kids, okay? Just fill the space with these small dots, okay? Just make these small dots, okay? Okay, everyone? Yes, kids, everybody just make these small dots, okay? Just fill the whole space, making dots and small little lines. I hope everybody can draw these lines. Just small little lines and small little dots, okay, kids? So you can see, kids, this is how we will be making the patterns in the background, okay? So this is how I will be finishing the background, okay, kids? Yes, everyone. So this is how you need to finish the background, okay? And at the back we can just make some zigzag lines. And so I'm adding some dots. Just add some dots, okay, everyone? Yes, kids, please dot. Please make the dots. And you can also make some dash lines like this. Okay? This is how you will be filling the whole background, okay, kids? Some zigzag lines, okay? Just some small little lines, okay, kids? Yes, everyone. So and here we can just make some small little lines on the top of these bushes, okay? Just making some small little lines, okay, kids, on our bushes. The top of our bushes, we're just making some small little lines, okay? Okay, kids, so this is how she will be giving the finishing touches, okay, kids? And on the top you can make a sun if you want, okay? Some lines to our sun, okay? And just paint that sun with your yellow shade. Okay kids, so this is how you will be finishing. Okay kids. So you see kids, this is how it will look. Okay, I'm just outlining once again on the lines because like I have just painted. So like after painting you can also like just outlining it once again. So you see kids, this is how you will be finishing. Okay kids. If you want you can also like make some dots behind. Okay, just a little bit of detail. Okay, so kids, this is how you will be finishing your trees. Okay kids, so I hope you all have enjoyed today's session kids. Yes everyone. Okay, so kids, I hope you all have drawn and painted. Yes everyone. Okay, so finish the drawing and painting well. Okay kids, I know you all must have done a very brilliant job. Yes kids, so I will be just waiting for your artworks in the yellow class portal. Okay kids, please upload your artworks in the yellow class portal. So we will be just meeting the next time with the other fun session. Okay kids. Yes kids, so I hope today's session was very easy for each one of you, right? Okay, so I hope to see many colorful trees from each one of you in the yellow class page. Okay kids, so kids, please keep on practicing more of lines and drawings and paintings. Okay, yes kids, so I will be just meeting you next time with the other fun session. Okay, see you next time kids. Bye bye everyone.